Now let's describe things. Kakvo je šta? What is of what kind or in what manner? Because the question kakvo means what is something like and šta what. So what are things like? You can see 4 adjectives, 4 words that describe uzbudljivo, ukusno, fantastično, grozno. Some or all of these words might be new, but there is a hint how to find their translations. Above, the colors will help. Žuto je exciting. Plavo je awful. Zeleno je fantastic. Naranđasto je delicious. So now the question is, what are the names of the colors? Žuto, yellow. Plavo, blue. Zeleno, green. Naranđasto, orange. So when we match everything, we get žuto, uzbudljivo, exciting. Naranđasto, ukusno, delicious. Zeleno, fantastično, fantastic. Plavo, grozno, awful. And now we can describe things. Things that are uzbudljivo, exciting. We could say uzbudljiv sport, uzbudljiv film, uzbudljiva knjiga, uzbudljiva situacija. How about ukusno, delicious? Ukusna hrana, ukusna kafa, ukusna torta, or fantastično, fantastic, fantastično vreme, fantastična knjiga, fantastična ideja, or grozno, awful, grozno vreme, grozna ideja, grozni ljudi. Try to listen to this video again. You will notice that with each of these exercises, the endings changed according to the main noun. So if I said uzbudljiv sport, sport is masculine singular, so does the word uzbudljiv follow with the same form. Repeat this, it won't hurt.